All right, today I have a Chrysler Pacifica, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake to the best of my ability in this vehicle. All right, but before I get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful in any way. All right, so let's get started. So I'm inside of the Chrysler Pacifica. Now to turn on the parking brake, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and the vehicle's in park. See, it's in park right here. Go ahead and I put my foot on the brake, and what I'll do is I'll look towards the center of the vehicle, and you see this button right here? This button is for the parking brake. I'm just going to simply press this, and when I press that, you'll notice on the instrument panel that there's a red light that comes on indicating that the parking brake is engaged. Now, in order to turn it off, I'm going to try to press it, but when I do that without doing another step first, it's going to give me an indicator on the instrument panel saying to release park brake, press brake, pedals, and switch, and push switch. So what I'll do is I'm going to go over here. I'm going to press the brake, and then I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to press this. And now the parking brake is disengaged. It is currently off. Okay, that is how you turn on and off the parking brake in a Chrysler Pacifica. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.